of Top Gun and Beverly Hills Cop 2 comes a movie that will leave you breathless. Christian Slater, Patricia Arquette, Dennis Hopper, Val Kilmer, Gary Oldman, Brad Pitt, Christopher Walken, in a Tony Scott film, Dynamite, a full throttle blast of action and fireworks, true romance.
Littlefoot and his friends are back.
All right, let's go.
In an all-new musical adventure, The Land Before Time 2, The Great Valley Adventure. An exciting home video full of action, mystery, laughter, and love. A sequel to the classic that has captured the hearts of children and adults alike. The Land Before Time 2, The Great Valley Adventure. On video cassette, rated G.
If you're really ready to watch this movie. Okay, popcorn? Check. Soft drink? Check. Warner Brothers ball cap? Aha! You can't watch a Warner Brothers movie without a Warner Brothers ball cap. Listen, Doc, what if they ordered a Warner Brothers ball cap so they had it next time? Well, here's all you have to do, folks. Just sing for this. A new Warner Brothers catalog. Use it to order your Warner Brothers ball cap. And while you're at it, you can order stuff like t-shirts, posters, movie books, ties. That's neckties. It's all in the catalog, which you can get now by dialing this 900 number. So when you get a chance, call. No, they have to call now. They can't watch the movie until they order their new